won by your San Miguel Beermen!
Okay mga ka-PBA, para sa ating PBA player shoutout, kasama ko ngayon Jericho Cruz of your San Miguel Beermen. Bago tayo mga pumasok sa All-Star Weekend, nanalo kayo, and then coming out strong pa rin after the PBA All-Star Weekend. So ano masasabi mo sa turnout ng game ngayon? 17 points ka, Jericho.
Well, una-una, I just want to thank the coaching staff for giving us a chance to play, to perform. And second, I just want to continue our winning streak. So, ayun, just work hard and parang retreat our game every day na last game. So, may goal kasi kami this season.
Wave!
Okay, good to hear that, Jericho. How about a shoutout naman sa mga fans ng San Miguel, fans mo at sa lahat ng nanonood ng PBA Games Live?
Shoutout sa San Miguel fans! Sa PBA fans, gusto ko naman shoutout sa parents ko sa Texas, sa California, and my wife from San Miguel, and my kids, and syempre kay Boss Mark and Boss Robert. God bless you and enjoy the second game.
Congratulations on the way, Jericho Cruz of the San Miguel Beermen.